Hello! Today's video is going to be a fun one. NikkieTutorials recently redid her natural makeup challenge, and let me just say, huge improvement from her original one. I don't know if any of you watched it, but people were upset. I loved it so much, her updated version, and I'm kind of on this whole natural looking makeup kick right now. So I thought, what better time to do this than right now. So I'm going to be copying her updated natural makeup tutorial, and we're going to see how natural this actually looks on a average person. So let's do this. She starts out by using an illuminating tinted moisturizer. I do not have an illuminating tinted moisturizer, but I do have an illuminating primer and a tinted moisturizer. So I'm going to mix a bit of the NYX BB cream with the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. She applies this with a brush. So I'm going to be using my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. It's my favorite brush. Mix this together. And that's the base. I like it. I feel like adding the illuminator into that, though, because it isn't already an illuminating BB cream, didn't do as much evening out as I would have liked, but I'm definitely illuminated. So now she goes in with a sheer concealer. So I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. This is the most sheer concealer I have. She goes under her eyes. I'm going to go on my lids because I'm pretty veiny. And just where I need a little bit of extra coverage. And then she pats all that out with her finger. Okay, that's not bad. So next she goes in with a liquid highlight. I'm going to use the Essence Make Me Glow in the shade Morning Mist in a bottle. And I'm just going to add a little bit. Blends that out with her brush. So then she goes over her cheeks with a powder highlight. She uses a Juvia's Place one. I'm going to go in with Mary Luminizer. I feel like that's the most natural looking powder highlight I have. And then she goes in with a setting powder to tame the glow, as she says. So I'm going to use the CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder in Classic Ivory, and I'm just using a e.l.f. powder brush. She goes in and sets the forehead just around the glow, under her eyes. My nose glow is real. So now for brows, she said all she does is go in with a hairspray on a spoolie. So that's what we're going to do. I'm using the Marc Anthony Coconut Oil hairspray. She just brushes up her brow hairs. And now she did say she only does that because she gets her brows tinted. I have not had mine tinted in a very long time. So I'm actually going to do a quick run through with my Essence Make Me Brow in Blonde. So it is very subtle, but I just want a teensy weensy bit of color in my brows because they are très invisible. And now she curls her lashes and goes in with mascara only on the top lashes, which is something that I agree with 100% and already do when I'm doing more just everyday natural looks. I'm using the Annabelle Edge mascara. Woo! And lastly, lips. She goes in with a very expensive product that I do not own, but essentially she uses a highlighter, a cream highlighter on the center of her lips, and then goes over it with a balm. So I'm actually going to use the Burt's Bees Lip Shimmer in Peony. I'm gonna put that in the center. That'll give me the nice sheen that she gets. And then I'm going to use the Glossier Balm.com in Mint. And I'm going to use that as my balm.com. Whew! Okay, and there we have it. Oh my goodness. The NikkieTutorials natural makeup. Oh my lord, this is actually even more natural looking than I would go on a day when I'm going for natural. That is just lovely. I like this. This is like the perfect no makeup, you know? Like it legit, like I could have woke up this way. So wow, Nikkie has officially actually legitimately mastered natural makeup. Who would have thunk it? So that is it. That's all for today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll leave Nikkie's original video down in the bioscription box. You can go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe. We will see you in the next one.
Wow.